Hey, welcome back, guys, to another episode of unboxing. Uh, oh, I had a brain fart there. Yeah, an unboxing this time, continuing the series with Airfix's Boeing 707, and this one being the Sky King release. Um, so yeah. Oh, sorry guys, I'm kind of tired right now, so I'm having issues concentrating. But this is the best time that I can do this with the lighting here. But anyways, let's get started. So you can see the side of the box. It's the British Airways Boeing 707. Nothing special on the sides, so we'll skip through that. For those of you that care, it's kit number 4170, Series 4. And then the only other picture there is this version that is included in this box, which is British Airways. And let's move on to the kit. So I actually found this sealed, brand new, I guess you could say, from a certain point of view. Here are the instructions, the kit, which is still bagged. Then you got the clear pieces, which I love these with all the window trimmings. Awesome. And of course, this is one of the originals because it still has the display stand, which is awesome. Probably won't use it, but still, get your money's worth. The decals, they're trash. They're so old, but I wasn't gonna use them anyways. I ordered some special ones to do the. I can't remember the nomenclature the Air Force uses for this plane, but it's for the presidential one. I think the Air Force One or something like that. But once I get those decals, I'll show you guys. But anyways, yeah, like I said, here's the display stand, basic two-piece unit, and then of course all the windows, passenger cabin windows, and of course the main one. And they look pretty good. Let me put this handy, set up differently here, so I can have both my hands free. Hold on a second. Alright, here we go. So there are the windows. A little bit of flash maybe. Can't really tell. Okay, too close. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Not too bad. The pieces pretty decent. Since they're fairly still new from back in the day. I can't remember when this aircraft was even released. I have to go to scalemates.com and find out, since their information is pretty legit from what I've seen. Alright, next up we have the instructions, which as you can see they're pretty faded from age, but it's just the front cover here. And let me lift up the handy again so you guys can see. Hold on a second. Alright, so we got the front cover. There we go. And it's basically just a pamphlet type thing. There we go. I'll just scan through the steps so you can get an idea of what this kit involves. Pretty basic, but I don't know why they have you painting the kit before you even put it together. I don't know. Doesn't seem rational back in how they wanted you to assemble the kit back in the day. And here we go with a landing gear assembly, engines, main landing gear, Not very detailed. Actually, no detail at all, but that's okay. That's okay. And then, of course, the painting instructions. That's it. 7 steps. Alright. So, let me set this up again. And open up the pieces. Okay, I guess this one has to be like that. Alright. So, let's see what we have. I do have a Revell 747 that I want to do an unboxing of as well, but it'll be a bit for that one. Oh, and look at that. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. An extra set of windows. Nice. There we go. Thank you, quality control. Alright, so got all these pieces here. Got the loose ones. Ah, come on. Ooh, tiny pieces. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, you got the Modelers Club brochure there. Alright, so let's get on with the pieces here. I'll start off with the loose ones. So we got engine parts here. And since they're already off from the sprue, let's see how they fit together. Not sure these other pieces. Oh, maybe yeah. Let's see. Oops, sorry, I was off camera. My bad. Okay, so I don't think this one's it. Since that one doesn't fit very well. Let's try again. Oh, wait a minute. No, okay. Let's try this one. Ah, that seems to be working there. Oops. Okay, well, I obviously have to clean up the nut marks, but so far it looks like it fits okay. The joint is pretty flat, but like I said, there's this gap there because of the nub marks. But otherwise, it fits pretty good. And of course, there's 4 of these. There's the other ones. Half of the other ones. And basic detailing here on the pylon. And then you got a wheel. You got a little door there. And then there's another one. Oops, can't see it. All you see is my thumb. There we go. And we have a bulkhead. And 1-piece vertical stabilizers. But really well detailed. Look at that. Of course, the lines are, panel lines are raised, but that's okay. I don't have a problem with it. And just minimal flash there on this area. But pretty decent set of wings there, or stabilizers. Then we got the main wings. Okay, this is the bottom of the wing. And let's find its partner. So here's the top side. And wing vortices vanes. Those look pretty decent. Actually, they look better than the one from the 737. These are kind of faded out on this half right here. I wonder if that's how it is. No, because this one has these faded on this side too, on both sides. Unlike this one, which is only the bottom one. Right there. Molding defect maybe? Well, that's a bummer. But alright, let's move along. Okay, there we go. So this is the other one, like I said, the bottom half. And let's see how they fit. Interesting molding design here. Oh, the numbers are gonna get in the way. And I don't have my nippers with me today. They're put away and I don't really feel like grabbing them, but from what it looks like, the fit isn't that bad. I mean, other than the numbers there, but it looks like a pretty good fit. Minimal filling, I think. Let's try this one, see if we have any more luck with this one. Oh, there goes the fridge. Nice. Oh, come on. Okay, well, I can't do a real test fit here because of the num marks, but so far the fit looks promising. Alright, let's move on to the next fret here, and then we have the main body and all the little wheels there. Some nice basic detail for the rims, and then the exhaust stack for the engines, and the body itself pretty good. I don't see any flash on this, not even on the window openings, so that's good. Pretty decent raised detailing, and of course the same molding marks as the previous Airfix kits that I did unboxings for, but the mold itself is good. No discrepancies. Pretty nice. Let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, well, there's a place for the bulkhead, the alignment marks, I guess, whatever you call them. So yeah, pretty good. Oh man, I won't take these apart and do a test fit because I don't want to create more work for myself in filling. Sorry guys, but that's just the way it is. Here's the other half. Same excellent quality in the mold. And this doesn't count because, like I said, it's smooth. It's just the way the plastic was drying up in the mold, I guess. These swirly marks. But everything else is pretty well molded. Again, no flash on this piece. And then here we have the landing gear details, pieces, whatnot, and then the punched through the decals for the window. And that is it. Not too many pieces for this kit. You are gonna have to sand the door opening because you got the mold seams there. What are they called? The injection marks. There you go. But other than that, it looks like a great looking kit, and it'll be even better, we know, when it's all done and I add those aftermarket decals to it. Should be a nice kit whenever I get around to it. Alright, not much to this unboxing, but hopefully at least it gives you an idea of what to expect from this kit. And if you're lucky enough, you'll get some extra windows too. Alright, well, that concludes my unboxing for this kit. So if you're lucky enough to find one online, I would get it. I wouldn't pay over $30 for it though, but it's a pretty decent kit. And of course it's from Airfix. Alright. That's pretty much all I have to say about this kit. See you on the next video, whatever the subject may be, whether it's unboxing or just update on the work in progress or whatever. Alright, take care guys, and happy holidays. Be safe out there. Don't be that person that's a jerk to others. Alright, bye bye.